This phone is ideal for people who want a device that lasts, prefer easy repairs, care about sustainability, are tired of disposable tech. To 2033. So this isn't just a phone that's good for the planet. It's a genuinely practical smartphone that should keep going for years. No unnecessary apps, no random software trying to sell me cloud storage or something. Everything feels smooth and responsive. It also comes with 256 gigabytes of built-in storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM, which is plenty for everyday use, multitasking, and even a bit of photo and video editing. If that's not enough, you can chuck in a micro SD card of surprisingly up to 2 terabytes, which is massive. I'll be doing a full camera comparison in a separate video, so keep an eye for that.